Stripe versus QuickBooks. Which platform is actually better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which platform is better among Stripe and QuickBooks. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Stripe. Stripe supports payments in over 135 currencies, making it ideal for businesses with an international customer base. It offers extensive API documentation, allowing for deep customization and integration into various systems. Provides built-in tools for managing subscriptions and recurring payments, which is great for SaaS businesses. It also features advanced fraud detection tools to help protect businesses from fraudulent transactions. Can handle businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises, making it highly scalable. Requires a technical setup, which may be overwhelming for non developers. It also includes transaction fees and additional fees for certain features like instant payouts. It is not as comprehensive for physical point of sale POS systems compared to other processors. Now, let's come towards QuickBooks. QuickBooks offers powerful accounting tools for managing income, expenses, and overall business finances. It integrates payroll services directly, simplifying the process of managing employee payments. It helps prepare tax returns, making it easier for businesses to meet their tax obligations. Includes robust invoicing tools that make it easy to send invoices and track payments. Provides detailed financial reporting to help businesses analyze their financial health. The paid plans can be expensive for small businesses, especially for advanced features. It may also have a learning curve for new users unfamiliar with accounting software. It is not as comprehensive for international businesses as some other payment processors. Choosing between Stripe and QuickBooks depends on your specific needs. Stripe is best for businesses seeking a global payment processor with advanced developer tools, while QuickBooks offers excellent accounting and payroll features for managing business finances. Consider your financial management needs and technical requirements to decide which platform suits your business best. That's all for the video.